So want to follow up really quick just to the thermal relief valve video that I just made. One of the things, just to tell that it's busted, make a noise. That one ain't gonna work. Nothing's going through it. Means it's still good. These can probably be rebuilt, but guys, for the, I'm gonna say this is probably a $10 or $15 part. Even if it was 25 bucks, I wouldn't bother to rebuild it. I may take this apart just for the fun of it. But, and actually we've got this other one here, so this one's good to go too. They are all general pump, 6,000 psi thermal relief valves. This one does not show, it just gives a part number, which I don't know how well you can see that on there. It's 100534. This one was made June 2nd, 2012. And then this one, same thing, 100534. It's made in 2015. So at some point, I guess this one either was taken off of another pump. So we'll throw a new Teflon on here, put it in to where the other thermal relief valve was. We're going to junk this one so it doesn't get used at all again. And we'll be up and running again. You can see got a nice little bleach spot on that shirt. It's a shop shirt. So anyways, hope that helps, guys. Have a great night. See ya.